square face, how many ways you can draw? This is right side, this is the left side, and this is the top or bottom part, and this is rectangular. So this is right side, left side, and the top position. Like this is the right side. You see in the cuboid, this is the right side, and this is the left side, and this is the top view. I mean, you can say the top portion, top face. So like that, one different shape we can show in a different ways, right? Like a rectangle also you can show in this different ways. And this is a triangle. So in triangle also we have to construct a rectangle around the triangle, touching all corners and edges. Corners and edges. We have to form one rectangle. Then with this rectangle, first we have to construct a rectangle, and within this we have to form a triangle shape. Like we have to find out this point, and we have to provide this point here, like all this. So this is the side faces, this is the top faces. Top faces in this ways, both ways we can do. So similarly, this another one, tetrahedron. This is quadrilateral. Quadrilateral also we have to do in this way. Draw the quadrilateral in a shape, okay, and construct a square around this quadrilateral, touching the not square. Construct a rectangle or box, you can say, touching a corner and the side. In this way, you have to construct a rectangle, right? Then here in the isometric drawing, draw the rectangle and find out the position of this point and find out in this way. Draw these lines parallel to this one and touching this corner, and this horizontal line also touching this corner. Give some names here. So similarly, at what position from Q, this corner to this corner, where it is. So same way we have to provide like this. Then find out the points here like this way. Okay. So then join all the points like this. Okay. So here also this is one side, right side. This is the left side. So in this way also we can draw. If with the right side, see the if this is the corner A, what is the right side of the A? This will come here. Okay. If you take B corner on the horizontal, then what is the position? What is the left side of B? This is the left side of B, and this is the right side of B. So we have drawn this is the left side and this is the right side. Okay. Now drawing the rectangle around that shape, we can draw the isometric drawings. So this is the side views, side faces, and these are the top faces. Right? In this way can do. And similarly, hexagon. Hexagon also you can draw like this. Draw a hexagon, construct a rectangle around this hexagon, touching corners and the edges, and name them like this. Name them like this. I name ABCD is a hexagon plane, and I constructed a rectangle touching the corners and the edges. Okay, I named as 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. Okay, now I constructed the rectangle in this way. Isometric drawing. This is one way, this is another way, and this is the top views. I mean, top base. Okay, so like that we can construct. So any type of a shape you can construct. If you want, you can construct a pentagon also. So just I will show the pentagon. You construct the later. So take pentagon, polygon. Here number 6 is there. So I'll change it 5. Enter. Then center, I don't want a center. I will take edge. Now here I can take any edge. So I want to take edge as 20. Okay. So 20. So just type 20. Keep your cursor down or up. Up means we'll get like this. Keep your cursor down. I want to construct like this. So I will take side is 20 or edge is 20. Enough. Now you have to construct this rectangle around this polygon, touching the corners and the sides. So let's see here. So From here I'm starting. Okay, I'm drawing the rectangle. So like this you can draw, and like this. Now here we don't know with AutoCAD. So like this you have to draw. Then touching this one, then vertical. Just move your cursor here. So we'll get here. Then here, move your cursor here. Then you'll get like this. Then close. Then close. We have started here. Okay. Right. So like this, we have to construct touching the edges and corners. You can see. Now here you name them. This one as a ABCD, like how we have named here polygon ABCD, ABCD, and this corners. Let us say 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here go here and first draw the rectangle here. Taking this corner or this corner first, draw a rectangle here in this way. I name the what you are given the name for this one. Draw like this, and this position. What is the difference? What is the distance? This from this corner to this corner of the polygon is equal to this corner to this corner of the polygon. Okay, similarly, this is equal to and this one, and also this is equal to this one. Anywhere both out of these two, you can measure any this or this. Okay, if you measure this, no need to measure this one because this will be say going to same projectors. This will be both with this corner and this corner will be on the same projector. So no need to measure this one. Once you measure this one, no need to measure this one. Similarly, this from this corner to this corner and this corner to this corner is the same. So once you measure the, one side, no need to measure another side. Like same here also. Of course, this is the center point of this line. This is the center point of this line. Okay. So I will draw only one. So remaining you draw it. Okay. Remaining all you draw it. So first I will name this as first I will name them. I will name from here as A. This is B, C, D, E. Okay. Then here also I want to name as 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Now over. Now here, now we are doing the arithmetic drawings. So first of all, we have to draw one small line, base line. So I want to take exactly here one small base line like this. Then we don't know this exact. We don't know this exact length. So we have to measure this exact length because first I want to keep corner this 2, point 2 here. So right side we have to draw 2, 3, and the left side of 2 is 2, 1. Okay, so I want to measure this one. So we don't know the exact measurement. So once we will measure this one. How much is this? 30.8. Okay, 30.8. So line 30.8. What? Where it is? Where should draw? I have to draw the right side. 30.23. So at the rate 30.8 less than 30 degrees. Okay, now I got this line. I got this line. Okay, now I have to draw this line. So measure this line. We don't know the exact length, so we will measure this one. 32.4. So from here 32.4. So draw from here at the rate 32.4 less than 150 degrees. 150. Enter. Okay, enter. Now we got these two. Now we can copy here this one because this and this line and this lines are same, and this line and this line are same. So I will copy here. No need to do it again. So just we can take a copy command. Copy. Which one I have to copy? This one. Selected, and no more to select. Enter. Then asking the base displacement. I will select displacement this one. Then I'll copy here like this. Okay. Now again the double enter. If we take a double enter, we'll get a previous command, copy. Just I want to copy this one, enter, displacement I want to take, and I will move here like this, over, okay. Now this is overlapping, so I will move this total figure at once a little bit, like this, okay. Now now I told that this is 2, and this is 3, so I will text here first, okay. So this is 2, 3, 4, and 1, okay. Now between 1 and 2, 2 points are there, A and B. So from A is some far away from 1, so we have to measure, we don't know exactly, so we should measure this length. But 6.2, okay. Of course, this also will be 6.2. This is also 6.2. 6.2, okay. So our drawing exactly perfect. So 6.2. So between what? 1 and 2. So here we have to draw 6.2. Here we have to draw 6.2. So let me take a line command and at the rate 6.2 less than 150 degrees. Okay, enter. Right, now we got the line. So once we got the line, we know that these two are same. This one, this length and this length are same. So what I do now, I will just copy that line. I will copy that line. So it will be selected because I done only this line, from here to here. Copy. Then I want to take a displacement here, not here, because if I take here, I can easily choose at this point. If I take here, I can't choose exactly where it is. I have to take, so that this another end should be this coincide with this corner. Okay. So I want to select this as a displacement. Okay. Now you see. So it's moving. Line is there, right? You can see. So I'll take copied. Okay. Whether it copied or not, how can we know? How we know? Just see, take any command, just move your cursor. See. Now see, end of the line. So here line is there. So this is the center point of that line. Okay. So line is there, copied. Okay. Now here we got these two lines. Now what about this one here? This point between 2 and 3. This point we want. Either we can measure this line or this line we can measure. Any line we can measure. So I will measure this line from here to here, from here to here. How much is this? 11.8. So I will draw the 11.8. So let us draw a line 11.8. How much is? At the rate 11.8 less than, and angle is 180 plus 30. How much? 210. So 210. Enter. Now we got this line. Okay. Enter. So here the line is there. Now this length and this length both are same. This one and this one are same. So we can copy this line and here. Okay. So copy. Here see, line is there. Copy. Enter. I want to take this as a base displacement. Okay. Enter. Just wait 1 minute. Have you given library records? Project records.
Group leader is Surya. He is having group another my group batchmate. He is really submitting. He has not taken it yet.
The guide
It's argument.
సార్ సైన్ చేశారా హెచ్ఓడి సార్
ఈ సైన్ అయ్యాక హెచ్ఓడి గారు సైన్ చేస్తారు
మీకు రాబోయే మీకు రికార్డ్స్ ఏమి ఇవ్వరు
ప్రాజెక్ట్స్
ఓన్లీ ప్రాజెక్ట్
మీరు చేయడమా
ఇది నేను డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఇన్ఛార్జ్ కాబట్టి నేను చేస్తాను బట్
already department
యూ హ్యావ్ టు సబ్మిట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ రికార్డ్స్ టు యువర్
Yes,
గైడ్
ma'am.
రిజిట్ బ్యాచ్ కదా
Yes, ma'am.
ఇచ్చారా
అదే మ్యామ్
మా లీడర్ వేరే విలేజ్ లో ఉన్నారు మాకు
వాట్
emergency.
ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు సబ్మిట్
सबके रिकॉर्ड्स उसके पास अंदर के रिकॉर्ड्स अलग अलग
అదంతా ఆయన దగ్గర ఉన్న రీజన్స్ విల్ బి మెనీ రీజన్స్ బట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు సబ్మిట్ యువర్ రికార్డ్స్
డిపార్ట్మెంటల్ సైన్ అయిపోయింది మ్యామ్ ఓన్లీ ప్రాజెక్ట్ సైన్ కావాలి
డిపార్ట్మెంట్ సైన్ చేశాను ఎప్పుడు చేశాను మీకు
లాస్ట్ టైం వచ్చినప్పుడు
మరి ನೀವು అప్డేట్ సార్ హెచ్ఓడి సార్ సైన్ చేయలేదు కదా ఎందుకు చేయలేదు రికార్డ్ అడిగారు కదా అంటే
అది వాళ్ళ విలేజ్ లో ఉన్న మన
you tell him to take a printout send him to mail
we have the soft copy
not soft copy not required we want a record hard copy we want a hard copy
yes
for
ma'am
library
he will submit all of them
no ఈ ఒక్క సబ్మిట్ ఇయ్యకుండా మీకు బ్యాచ్ ఎవరికి రాదు
బ్యాచ్ లో వాళ్ళు ఎవరు తీసుకోలేను అని
అవునమ్మా బ్యాచ్ ఎవరు తీసుకోలేదు బట్ వీ వాంట్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ కి ఒక రికార్డ్ కావాలి నోట్ ఈస్ పాసిబుల్ when we are forcing to submit your records now you are not submitting once the signature is over then how can you submit
he is having all the records
okay what HOD told you know that what HOD is doing the same thing
no I have to today నేను ఈ రోజు వచ్చాను
నువ్వు ఈ రోజు వచ్చినావు తర్వాత వచ్చినావు ముందు వచ్చినావు కాబట్టి ముందే వచ్చింది ఆ పని అయిందా కాలేదు సైన్ చేశాను నేను దిస్ ఈస్ అబౌట్ ద డిపార్ట్మెంట్ లైబ్రరీ ఐఎమ్ ఇన్ చార్జ్ ఆఫ్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ లైబ్రరీ సో ఓవర్ బట్ మీకు నోటీస్ మొత్తం కంప్లీట్ కాదు అన్లెస్ యూ సబ్మిట్ ది రికార్డ్ హెచ్ఓడి విల్ సైన్
ఓకే
నిద్ర ఒకటి బ్యాచా
after the submission of
హూ
record
ఇస్ యువర్ గైడ్
ప్రవీణ్ సార్
హీ విల్ గివ్ ఉంది కదా మీ దగ్గర రికార్డ్ వచ్చేస్తుంది కదా
అంటే మా దగ్గర ఇప్పుడు ప్రెసిడెంట్
అది కాదు మ్యామ్ ఇప్పుడు రికార్డ్ సబ్మిట్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఎవరిది సైన్ హెచ్ఓడి సార్
హెచ్ఓడి ఫైనల్ గా హెచ్ఓడి సైన్ చేస్తారండి
ఇప్పుడు రాఘవేంద్ర సార్ లేరు కదా
నేను ఏం చెప్తున్నానమ్మా మీది రాఘవేంద్ర సార్ లేకుండా మీ ప్రాజెక్ట్ మీ దగ్గర ఉంది కదా సాఫ్ట్ కాపీ ఉంది కదా యూ టేక్ ఏ ప్రింట్ అవుట్ అండ్ మేక్ ఇట్ బైండెడ్ అండ్ you have to submit to 3 records you have to submit one is for main library one is for department library and one is for guide
okay.
that should be compulsory whether you want personal record we don't bother but we have to give
so that sign also we should take
unless you submit your records that HOD guide should write there he has submitted అక్కడ ఉంటే గానీ sign చేయాలి
గైడ్ లేరు కదా మ్యామ్ రాఘవేంద్ర సార్
మళ్ళీ ఏం చెప్పాలమ్మా you are having we told that you are having a soft copy
okay
and then can't you make it a binded then yes okay okay what is this length 11.8 okay 11.8 I think okay I will draw the line 11.8 so from here I'll draw the line 11.8 at the rate 11.8 less than 210 degrees 210 degrees enter so exactly we got 210 degrees from the center okay now these both are E4 and C3 are same equal so this line I will copy here so copy command this one enter then I want to take a displacement point then I will copy here okay now what okay now we have to construct this one so here what about this D1 what about this point D why I not marked point D anyone of you what is the reason yes yes please hello why I didn't mark this point D here between 4 and 3 anyone please Should I stop the class?
Ma'am, I think it's not visible.
What is not visible?
Isometric view.
My question is, why I didn't mark this point D here between 4 and 3? What is the reason? I marked a point C, B, A, and E. Why I didn't mark here? What is the reason? I have to consider a polygon, right? We marked A, B, C, and E. And what about D? Why I don't want to mark here? Why? Because this point is at the midpoint of this 4, 3. It will come exactly at the midpoint. Okay. So now I'll draw the polygon here. So I'll move. So when I move my cursor here, it will show the end point. It shows the end point. Did I not didn't draw here? I did not copy this one. Copy. This one I have to copy. Enter. I will take displacement this one and just I will copy here. Okay. Now line command. I want to start from A. Here A is there. So between 1 and 2, somewhere here. So when I move my cursor here, it will show the start end point. See here. This is exactly at point A. So I will start here. This is line. And B. B also exactly showed the end point. This is B. And C. Already we had drawn the C point. See here. This is the end point showing. Okay. C. And this is, it will show, this is at the midpoint of 4, 3. Okay. So I will move my cursor between 4 and 3 where it shows the midpoint. So this is the midpoint. This is D. And similarly, this is somewhere here. This is E. Okay. Now this point is A. This point is A. Okay. Over. Enter. So we got the polygon, regular polygon in this position. Okay. This is the top view I had drawn. Top view I had drawn. So here we can draw the side view also. Just I will move this one. I will move here. This is the top view. So similarly, side view also you have to draw in this way. Okay. So please draw all of you side view also. Side positions also, side faces also you have to draw in isometric projection. Okay. Now, what about the circle? What about the circle? There are two methods for circle. There are two methods for circle. One method is offset method and another method is 4-center method. Other method is 4-center method. Okay. So first we'll draw the circle. We'll draw the circle. Any radius. Let us take a radius. Specify the center point. Center point. And radius will take 25. Radius will take 25. Okay. Now we have to construct the square around this one. We get a square, right? Because this is the diameter. Okay. Now construct the see. Look at screen how I am drawing here.
Sorry to disturb you.
Yes. Yes.
Can I get a spiral line
Where spiral bend
for the project report?
means what are you asking me?
I can get the project report by printing, taking a print off.
Ah.
For submitting it, can I submit by spiral binder?
No, not spiral bender. Spiral bender is not accepted. You ask HOD, I am not your guide. You ask our HOD, he will give the instructions. Which batch? Last batch, no? Then
Last batch.
లాస్ట్ వచ్చే కదా మరి ఇక్కడ ఎవరైనా ఇచ్చారా స్పారల్ వెల్డింగ్ మరి
అదే మేము మొత్తం చేసి పెట్టినాము కానీ
వేరే దగ్గర ఎక్కడున్నా మళ్ళీ తీసుకో మళ్ళీ ప్రింట్అవుట్ తీసుకో మళ్ళీ బైండింగ్ చేపించేసే విత్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ షుడ్ బి రిటర్న్ ఆన్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ నాట్ యువర్ హెచ్ఓడి యూ ఆస్క్ యువర్ హెచ్ఓడి ఎస్ okay now look at here how I'm drawing the square here. Touching the circumference of the circle. Okay. So I drawn the circle. These are all tangents, right? These are all tangents, 4 tangents. I drawn the square box around this circle. Okay. This is we are doing offset method. Don't forget this is offset method. So we have to draw the offset method. How to draw the offset method? Offset. We'll remove this line. Some inclination is there. It's looking some inclined line. Okay, can you see? Okay. Now we have to draw the diagonals. For offset method, we have to draw the diagonals. Draw the diagonals. Okay. Now where this line, these diagonals are intersecting the circle, some points here, here. And from these points, we have to draw the offsets. From these points, we have to draw the offsets like this. We have to draw the offsets. Or else you can draw the like this also you can draw. Okay. And here also all 4 sides, all 4 sides. So what I do instead of drawing, what I do, I will give a mirror drawing, mirror command. Okay, I will give a mirror command. Enter. And mirror line is I will take from here to here. Mirror line. See. Okay. Now here also I want to draw. So what I have to do? If I want to draw here both the sides, what I have to do? Anyone?
Ma'am, again we can use mirror command, ma'am.
Yes, again we can use mirror command. So mirror command, we'll select these 4 lines. We'll select these 4 lines. Okay, enter. Now mirror line, it is asking the specify the first mirror line. So I will take this first mirror line. Okay, and this another mirror line. Any line, you can, if you want to take a small length also, doesn't matter. Okay, see here, small line. So like this, anywhere you can take. Okay, this I got. Okay, now we got the offsets. So we'll draw the center line also, this lines also. Okay, just wait. Enter. Okay, now we'll draw the center line. Center line, exactly it's showing the center line. Somewhere it's gone, this one. Okay. Okay, we draw the options and diagonals. Now we will name these points on the circle. We have to we'll name these points on the circle. Okay. So text. So this is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Enter. And this will name it as A. This will name it as A. This is B, C, and D. Okay. Enter. Now, once we got this, once we constructed a square around this, then we have named these points. Now, from here, draw the small line. I will draw only one out of course, this will get only one top and one side. Okay, I'll draw one side one only. Okay, draw one line. So I want to take B at this corner. I want to take B at this corner. So draw a line from like this. So what is this line? What is the side of this square? Equal to diameter, right? We have taken diameter as 50. So we will take this one as 50. So at the rate 50 less than 30. Okay. So this one is vertical, 50. Enter. On 50. Enter. Now instead of this one, I will take. I will copy this one. This line. Displacement. This. Enter. Copy. I copied it here. Okay. Now, if you want, you can take a copy command, or else if you want to draw a line, you can draw the line. Anything you can do. Okay. Over. Now, this I have taken as B. Okay. This one I have taken as B. This is B, C, B, and